Draw with Bunny! Today we are going to draw a very cute rainbow. So let's get started. We're first going to draw a very easy cloud. It looks super cute. Let's make another one. Now let's start with the rainbow. Remember, every rainbow is unique, just like you. Just slowly follow the lines. Yes, you got this. I just love rainbows. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. We're almost done. In our rainbow world, every day is bright and wonderful. Can't wait to paint this rainbow. Yay! It's done! Now, let's make its cute face. First the eyes and then the mouth. Now let's make the cutest eyes. Just draw 3 small circles in each eye. Now fill the eyes. It's almost ready. Now let's add some very cute stars to our drawing. Look at these sparkly stars. Don't you love how this looks? Now it's time to color. Red. The red looks like it's dancing at the edge of the rainbow. Blue. This blue looks as beautiful as the sky on a clear day. Green. The screen looks as lively as a frog hopping in a pond. Orange. This orange just look at these colors. They look so beautiful. Brown. Each color is so unique, just like you. Yellow. This yellow looks as happy as the sun smiling on us. The rainbow is almost ready. Now let's paint the clouds. We're doing some shading with dark purple color. Rainbow and the cloud. They just make the perfect combination, don't you think? Shading is done. Now let's paint the clouds blue. Together, these colors make the perfect combination. It's almost ready. Yay! Done with the clouds. Now adding yellow for the stars. Let's color them out. Ta-da! Bye-bye. If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.